Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
Okay, so a rectangle with what on the side?
With like circles on the side to show depth.
Yes, great job. So we can do this and we can do this. So step one, let's draw the rectangle. Okay. Now, if you wanted, you can just have it on the side. If you want to have depth, then you would put the circle and a circle. And then I usually would then, depending if you want this side to show or this side to show, I would erase one of the insides of the circle. Okay, and if we want to make this look more like a log, what details could we add?
Yes. You can add like lines or like small circles in it, so it can like the texture or something.
That's right. So let's add some small circles on the inside, and we can add lines on the side. So this is a pattern that we can add, right? And you can add different kinds of patterns. You can add these straight lines like this. You can add these kind of lines like this. Or sometimes you can do squiggly lines like this, which also make it look like a log. Okay, and then I'm going to teach you a few more little details. So you can also add some branches. You can just use small rectangles, and then you can add a leaf or two. And that really makes it look like a log. Okay?
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.